Paul Pon, and I'm thrilled to share with you a quick demo of SketchGenius, the most exciting and advanced first-to-market AI video creation app that we've ever built. SketchGenius transforms any photo or text into captivating 3D sketch animated videos in various colors, sketch styles, and backgrounds that you cannot create with any other app. For the first time ever, create unlimited 3D sketch drawing videos and stand out from the competition with numerous first-to-market sketch styles and themes, including crayon sketch, pencil sketch, both in color and black and white, chalkboard, charcoal style, sketchbook, notebook, sketch logo reveal, blueprint, and a whole lot more. We're just getting started. SketchGenius is the only app in the market with a virtual brain that uses the latest advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning to fully automate the creation of ultra long length animated sketch videos that captivate audiences unlike any other basic doodle or whiteboard video app that you've seen before. Imagine uploading any image and turning it into a world-class sketch animated video with automatic color grading, textures, highlights, shadows, realistic drawings, and other never seen before artistic effects in seconds without any creativity or tech skills. Imagine pasting a simple text and turning it into beautiful video scenes with all the relevant images, drawings, voiceovers, background music, and animations. The built-in AI finds the relevant assets from our library, which features billions of assets, and automatically creates multi-purpose videos for any industry, including perfectly synced lifelike text-to-speech voiceovers in all the popular languages and accents. And there are no limits on the usage of our award-winning lifelike text-to-speech technology ever. You can even upload your own voiceover in virtually any language, and our automated voice detection and transcription engine will transcribe and sync the voice to your videos without any editing at all. Plus, you can use our revolutionary one-click translation engine to translate your videos into any language to reach global audiences. This means you can now convert your blog posts, articles, text, podcasts, or any other content into captivating 3D sketch animated videos easier and faster than ever before, as the artificial intelligence engine does all the heavy lifting. There is zero editing needed. Using our futuristic AI editing platform, you can edit your videos by simply editing the text. It's really like magic. Want to crop or delete a segment in your video? Simply delete the text, as you can see on my screen, and you are done. Or want to add segments to your video, including voiceovers? Just type in the text you wish to add, and the app automatically creates the new voiceover segment. No need for complicated frame editing and syncing. This alone will save you several hours of time, and you can see your changes in real time. Choose from numerous hand styled sketch animated themes, custom backgrounds, and innovative transitions to create sizzling videos that crush your competition. Add subtitles and captions to your videos in a single click. Render your videos in high definition with perfect studio quality output every single time. Since the app works in the cloud, you can log in with any device, including PC and Mac, to start creating your videos without any watermarks or restrictions. Now, let me log into the app and show you how you can create the exact videos that command $500 or more for every single minute of footage that you create using SketchGenius right now. Alright, so we are in the SketchGenius app right now. As you can see, we have charcoal sketch black and white option in the first tab. Then we have the chalkboard drawing option, which draws in chalkboard style. Then we have crayon sketch, which basically does it in a very crayon style. And then we have pencil drawing color. So the charcoal sketch was black and white. Now we have the pencil drawing, which is in color. And then we have the blueprint sketch, which creates blueprint style videos. And then we have animated notebook, which draws things and sketches things out in a beautiful notebook. And then we have animated sketchbook as well, which is basically a sketchbook which has animations and transitions and that sort of thing. Now, the cool thing here is that every one of them has our artificial intelligence system built in. So anything that you choose, there is an artificial intelligence system built in. So for example, if I choose this pencil drawing color and I go next, everything is customizable, yes, but also comes with our artificial intelligence system, which converts photos and text into beautiful sketch drawings like what you see on these previews. So here we have different styles of hands and also a no hand option. So that means you could actually sketch out with a hand, or you can also do a reveal without actually having a hand draw it. So there's multiple options here that users can pick. And then once you do so let's say we do this female hand here and click next. The next thing is we have the text to speech or voiceover option. So here it is using the largest library of text to speech voices in the world right now in multiple popular languages, dozens and dozens and dozens of these languages. And if you look at it here, we can choose from the languages here, as you can see, and then we can also pick the voices here, as you can see here. Tons and tons of voices here, and then you can adjust the speaker volume, speed, pitch, all that good stuff. You can also hit the auto translate button here to translate this into another language right out of the gate, the script that you paste. So what you could do is you could paste the script like this. This is a script I have for a real estate firm, and then you can use that and convert that into text to speech, and then it'll automatically create the whole video, if you will, and the scenes and the timestamps and all that good stuff. So the syncing of the video is perfect every single time. You can also record your own audio from within the application, or you can also import your own voiceover in any one of these languages that we have here, which have pretty much all the popular languages in the whole world here that you can import and then bring it in. We use something called voice detection technology, which converts your audio into text so that the syncing will be perfect. So no matter what option you pick, ultimately the next step is you go in, and of course you can also enable any background music that you have here and all that. You can play the combination of them and all that good stuff. So